हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ ऋतु। आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल ऋतुराज पर, जिस पर हमने चंडीगढ़ जूनियर ऑडिटर के रिगार्डिंग एमसीक्यू क्लासेस शुरू की हुई है, जिस पर मैंने अब तक 30+ वीडियोस अपलोड कर दी हैं। ये आज मैराथन क्लास सेकंड है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग इज़ अ मेथड ऑफ, योर ऑप्शंस आर कैपिटल बजटिंग, कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल, इंडस्ट्रियल रेम्यूनरेशन, इंश्योरेंस। द करेक्ट आंसर इज इंडस्ट्रियल रेम्यूनरेशन। 72. The Workmen Compensation Act was introduced in, correct answer is 1923. 73. Internal rate of return is a method of, your options are profit analysis, budget, capital budgeting, ratio analysis. The correct answer is capital budgeting. 74. Operating leverages is a part of, your options are financial management, marketing, accounting, business management. The correct answer is financial management. Question number 75, which is fixed cost bearing fund? Your options are equity capital, debenture, profit, none of these. The correct answer is debenture. 76, working capital includes, your options are dividend, cash, expected return, loss, fund. The correct answer is cash. वर्किंग कैपिटल निकालते कैसे है? करंट एसेट माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी। ओके, और करंट रेशियो क्या होता है? करंट एसेट अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी। और एक आइडल रेशियो जो होती है वो 2:1 होती है, ठीक है। और क्विक रेशियो की होती है 1:2। चलिए आगे चलते हैं। डेब्ट इक्विटी रेशियो, योर ऑप्शंस आर लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्वेंसी रेशियो, प्रॉफिट रेशियो, डिविडेंड रेशियो, लॉस फंड। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्वेंसी रेशियो। 78, liquid asset do not include, your options are cash, stock, creditor, both B and C. The correct answer is B and C. Which is a social factor of consumer behavior? Your options are social asset, age, income, attitude. The correct answer is social asset. Which is an attribute of a good market sample? Your options are random, quick result, schedule, none of these. The correct answer is random. Which factor influence consumer attitude? Your options are income of consumer, status, education, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. 82, del creditor agent is a, your options are customer, buyer, producer, middleman. The correct answer is middleman. House loan is suitable for, your options are student, housewife, salaried person, saving account holder. The correct answer is salaried person. Branding is a function of, correct answer is marketing. 85, operational control is a part of, your options are financial planning, risk, production management, none of these. The correct answer is production management. In PERT, R stand for, the correct answer is review. Which of the following is a technique of time study? The correct answer is A, work sampling. Operational research is a, your options are price tool, brand, accounting tool, scientific method. The correct answer is scientific method. 89, which of the following determine the critical path? Your options are PERT, FIFO, regression, lead time. The correct answer is PERT. 90, ISO 9001 is related to, your options are quality, production, event, path. The correct answer is quality. 91, which is our method of correlation suggested by Euler and Candale? Your options are great correlation, average correlation, rating, Karl Pearson. The correct answer is great correlation. 92 is strategic management business determined? Your options are objective, structure, authority, development. The correct answer is objective. 93, financial strategy is used in, your options are financial planning, fund analysis, liquid analysis, all of these. The correct answer is all of the above. Okay. Bretton Woods is related to, your options are World Bank, World Trade Organization, Asian Development Bank, none of these. The correct answer is World Development Bank. Which is a type of political leadership? The correct answer is tradition. 96, SDR is, your options are gold paper, bond, white paper, या gold. The correct answer is gold and SDR stand for स्पेशल ड्राइंग राइट, ठीक है। समटाइम ऑप्शन पेपर गोल्ड करके भी मिल सकता है और या गोल्ड पेपर करके भी मिल सकता है, बोथ आर करेक्ट। 97 दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट इज एन अप्रोच ऑफ, योर ऑप्शंस आर इंश्योरेंस, मार्केट, स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर्मेशन या पेटेंट। द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर्मेशन। 98 मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी इज आर, योर ऑप्शंस आर strategy, alliance, merger, counter trade, all of these. The correct answer is all of this. 99 risk taking capacity is related to, your options are house, entrepreneur, action या research, entrepreneurship. 100 venture capital is related to, your options are marketing, economic, corporate strategy, HRM. The correct answer is C, corporate strategy. 101 steps in delegation involves, your options are creation of obligation, assignment of duty, category both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. 102 social cost means, your options are health facility, pollution by industry, education, development. The correct answer is pollution by industry. 103 business ethics is based on, your options are profit, loss, risk, moral value. The correct answer is moral value. The consumer is king is concept of, your options are business ethics and marketing, finance, economic, all of these. The correct answer is business ethic and marketing. 105 to conduct business in accordance with the government policy is, your options are CSR, marketing, audit, none of these. The correct answer is A. Good working condition is more related to, your options are cost, job, productivity, wages. The correct answer is C, productivity. 107 performance appraisal is used for, your options are product, organization, staff, none of these. The correct answer is C, staff. Trade union is, your options are 108 CITU, CBDT, VAT and GST. The correct answer is CITU. CITU stand for Center, CITU stand for Center of Indian Trade Union, ठीक है। CBDT Central Board of Direct Tax, VAT Value Added Tax, GST Goods and Service Tax. Okay. 109 corporate governance include, your options are independent director, manager, staff या customer. The correct answer is independent director. Time taking concept is, your options are wage plan, market plan, fund plan, risk plan. The correct answer is wage plan. 111 PLC stand for product life cycle, post line care, product line cost, problem line cost. The correct answer is product life cycle. 112 rural marketing is suitable for, your options are diamond industry, stock, gold market, fertilizer industry. The correct answer is fertilizer. 113 which is in our function of financial manager. The correct answer is all of these. इकोनॉमिक अप्रेजल, कैपिटल बजटिंग, फोरकास्टिंग, तीनों भी फंक्शन किसके हैं? फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर के. ओके, इकोनॉमिक अप्रेजल, कैपिटल बजटिंग एंड फोरकास्टिंग. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं 114. लेवरेज रेशियो एक्सप्रेस द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डेब्ट एंड इक्विटी. ओके. 115 रिस्क में भी योर ऑप्शंस आर सर्टन, अनसर्टन, possible, all of these uncertain. Which of the following is risk management tool? Your options are put option, UTI fund, bond or equity. Put option. Next question, interest on paid debenture. Your options are fixed cost, variable cost, dividend. Put option. The correct answer is fixed cost. Capital market deals with, your options are trading in share capital, gold, risk analysis, production. The correct answer is trading in share capital. Insider trading is related to, एक तरीके से कह सकते हैं इलीगल जो ट्रेडिंग की जाती है उसे कहते हैं. किससे रिलेटेड होती है? सिक्योरिटी से. ठीक है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. 120 जीरो नेट एड इज रिलेटेड टू फंड, मार्केट, मटीरियल, इकोनॉमी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज इकोनॉमी. 121 द वर्ड आर्यन मीन्स, योर ऑप्शंस आर of good family, cultivator, pastoral society and brahmachari. Correct answer is of good family. When Alexander invaded India, who were the ruler of Magadha? The correct answer is Nandas. 123 who was the author of Buddha Charitra? The correct answer is Ashwa Ghosh. Who was the founder of Gupta dynasty? Shri Gupta. 125. The largest standing army of Delhi Sultanate directly paid by the state was created by. Your options are Alauddin Khilji, Iltutmish, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Sikandar Lodi. The correct answer is Alauddin Khilji. 126. Kabir was the disciple of. Your options are Ramananda, Ramanujan, Shankaracharya, Nanak. The correct answer is Ramananda. 127. At the time when Nadir Shah attacked Delhi, the Mughal emperor was. जब नादिर शाह ने भारत पर आक्रमण किया उस समय मुगल एम्परर कौन था? योर ऑप्शंस आर अहमद शाह, बहादुर शाह, मोहम्मद शाह, शाह आलम द्वितीय. करेक्ट आंसर इज मोहम्मद शाह. हु इशूड फरमान ग्रांटिंग दीवान ऑफ बंगाल, बिहार एंड उड़ीसा टू इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश पर यहाँ का मतलब है ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी से. योर ऑप्शंस आर शाह आलम द्वितीय, बहादुर शाह, अहमद शाह, फरूख शाह. द करेक्ट आंसर इज शाह आलम द्वितीय. 129. Who was the inspirator behind the Young Bengal movement? Your options are Bandhusudan Dutt, Henry Vivian Desrosiers, Krishna Mohan Mukherjee and Ram Gopal Ghosh. The correct answer is B. 130. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of formation of the Indian National Congress? Your options are Lord Curzon, Lord Canning, Lord Lawrence, Lord Dufferin. The correct answer is D. Lord Dufferin. India Wins Freedom in is the autobiography of. ऑटोबायोग्राफी जो खुद लिखी जाए, बायोग्राफी जो किसी के थ्रू लिखी जाए. The correct answer is अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद. How many articles are there in Indian Constitution? Your options are 392, 395, 397, 399. अगर ऑप्शन में 395 मिलता है तो 395 लगाना है. अगर ऑप्शन में 448 मिलता है तो 448 लगाना है. ये पहले की बात की जा रही है जब 22 शेड्यूल्स थे, 8 भाषाएं थी. ठीक है, 395 क्या थे? आर्टिकल्स थे. बट एट प्रेजेंट 448 आर्टिकल हैं. सिक्किम वॉज मेड एन इंटरनल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया अंडर. सिक्किम कब भारत का पार्ट बना? 1975 की बात है. और कौन सा अमेंडमेंट था? 36 अमेंडमेंट के तहत. ठीक है. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? The correct answer is D. 135. The president can be impeached on the ground of violating the constitution by. Your options are the Chief Justice of India, the Vice President of India, the Speaker of Lok Sabha, the two houses of Parliament. The correct answer is the two houses of Parliament. 136. Who was the Defence Minister of India during the Indo-China War of 1962? उस टाइम डिफेंस मिनिस्टर कौन थे इंडिया के? V.K. कृष्णन मेनन. 137. Who was the following can participate in proceeding of both the houses of parliament? Attorney General. The Indian Constitution provide for the ad hoc judge in. Your options are Supreme Court, High Court, District Court or Session Court. All of these. What was the average density of Earth? C option is correct. एपिरोजेनेटिक मूवमेंट गिव राइज टू फोल्ड माउंटेन. ये दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है एपियोजेनेटिक. एपिरो मीन्स होता है आपका कॉन्टिनेंट और जेनेटिक मीन्स होता है आपका ओरिजिन. फोल्ड माउंटेन करेक्ट आंसर है. टाइड्स आर कॉज्ड बाय द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑफ. योर ऑप्शंस आर अर्थ ऑफ द मून, अर्थ ऑफ द सन, सन एंड मून ऑन द अर्थ. None of these. The correct answer is C. Sun and moon on the earth. Strait which separate Africa and Europe. वो कौन सी स्ट्रेट है जो अफ्रीका और यूरोप को अलग करती है? The correct answer is Strait of Gibraltar. Okay. El Nino is an abnormally warm ocean current. Okay. Tropic of Cancer passes through. Your options are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand. The correct answer is Jharkhand. Amarkantak Plateau mark the origin of the river. Your options are Gandhak, Chambal, Narmada, Ghaggar. The correct answer is C. Which of the following is a national aquatic animal of India? The correct answer is C. 47. Which of the following is most elastic? Your options are rubber, wet clay, steel, plastic. The correct answer is steel. Echo is produced due to. Correct answer is reflection of sound. So 147 का right answer steel और 148 का right answer A. Astigmatism for eye, human eye can be removed by using cylindrical lens. Okay, the correct answer is C. Which of the following is a weak acid? Citric acid is the correct answer. Next, the chemical name of baking soda, correct answer is sodium bicarbonate. Milk sugar is, answer is lactose. HIV virus destroy, the correct answer is B. Longest living tree is, the correct answer is B. 155. A is the brother of B. C is the sister of B. How B related to A? A क्या है? Brother है किसका? B का. Okay? And C is a sister of, and C is a sister of B. How B is related to A? बेटा inadequate है. Why? क्योंकि हमें इसका जेंडर नहीं पता है. ठीक है, अदरवाइज ये पता होता तो हम बता देते ये इसके लिए भाई लगेगा या इसके लिए बहन लगेगी, ये ए के रिस्पेक्ट में ये इसका भाई लगेगा या बहन लगेगी. ठीक है, बी का जेंडर नहीं पता है, जिस वजह से क्या है, डेटा इनएडिक्वेट है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. विजय's पोजीशन इज 14 फ्रॉम द अपवर्ड इन अ क्लास ऑफ 43 स्टूडेंट. व्हाट विल बी द पोजीशन फ्रॉम डाउनवर्ड? कोई टोटल कितने स्टूडेंट है? 43. ओके, उसकी पोजीशन अपवर्ड से कितनी है? 14. तो 14 माइनस कर दीजिए यहाँ पे, बस 1 ऐड कर दीजिए, 30. ओके, अगर अपवर्ड से उसकी पोजीशन 14 है तो डाउनवर्ड से उसकी पोजीशन कौन सी आएगी? 30. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 30. आगे चलते हैं. विच इंडियन शूटर क्लिंच गोल्ड इन मेंस 50 मीटर राइफल 3 पोस्टिनेट 2018 ISSF शूटिंग वर्ल्ड कप इन मैक्सिको? द करेक्ट आंसर इज अखिल शेरॉन. विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट स्टेट लीड फॉर वीमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वी हब? द करेक्ट आंसर इज तेलंगाना. कब बना था तेलंगाना? 2 जून 2014. Who has become the first ever Indian architect to win the Pritzker Architecture Prize? The correct answer is Balkrishnan Doshi. Who has become the first Indian woman from the field of law and justice to be conferred the Nari Shakti Puraskar? Geeta Mittal. थैंक यू सो मच. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. पढ़ते रहिए एंड टेक केयर.